Good morning, fellow Cameroonian all over the whole world. Good morning for the group, for these people that decide for help we. I want to say thank you for the opportunity you give to us. My name na Mami Therese Koloko Chengo. I get 56 years. I come out for Kumba, Apollinaire Street, Fiango. I leave Kumba for August because of war issue. What happened where I leave Kumba and I say, I be try say I resist because they born me for Kumba. My parents they come for West for Bafang and they settled for Kumba since 1954. I married my mama. They born me for Kumba. I grew for Kumba. I married for Kumba with my husband. So my husband died for 2016. I remain widow. I get second banya. So war starts. We'll try to resist because I know say they born me for Kumba, Adela and Reform. It happen say they need to give me peace. More she don't. We need the fit for go bush. Begin they need the fit for go school. So what would she done for house? They come with gun, talk say una be Bamileke, una be francophone. Una come out, go back for una place. Una go back for una place. They threaten we with gun plenty. So I be forced to carry picking them, come out. I come for Yaoundé here. I get 3 picking and 4 grandchildren. So I did now for Yaoundé with all the picking them. I get 3 picking for my charge. The other, some good Samaritan don't pay fees for 1 picking. So these 3 picking them, they go school for college. The first one they go from 5. The second one they go from 4. The other or the last one, the boy only go from 2. So I get difficulties for this picking them for pay them fees. This first one where it go from 5. I never even give you registration for GCE. So they drive it out because of GCE and because of school fees. The school fees for the first one now 145,000. Registration na 35,000. Please, I cry for Cameroonian for the whole world, especially the one the way they did for France, where they get this good heart, the heart of help. For help we even all the widow them where they don't run from this war. For help we. Please I cry. Even the second one, the one the way they did for from 4, even for from 2. Please, this speaking they don't get no help. Now one person don't help me with the speaking we did for primary school class 3. They pay fees. All the beginning they out of class since when school start. They need the fit for succeed. They need the fit for go enter class. School people they need to hear them anything. Say we don't run a war. Please, I cry for all Cameroonians them. Cry don't pass me. I don't even know what the suffer who would suffer it too much. And if you explain them all because place where I stay for a year, I never fit for pay the house rent. I can't enter Yaoundé. One woman keep me for a parlor for 1 month. Why I did look for 1 room while I feel rent 1 room. I stay with peace picking them. So I be look say I get plenty picking them. Picking them be there for me, will be there 7 of us. So I divide them. Someone they go for another site. They go to look shelter of another site. They get their own 1 room for another site with 4 picking them. I dey here for I send 1 picking for Douala for my small brother. Where you today this and see in the work. So I dey for Kozwa now with 1 picking. Where me and he be hungry. 1 woman now for Kozwa keep me for a parlor for 1 month. Why I dey look now for 1 room. 1 poor room where I feel hide for day with this picking. After then, at Tonton Sute, I enter now for this good Samaritan woman also. He keep me for a parlor with them that small daughter, Angel, for 1 month. Then 1 tenant for a house come out. He give me that room. He say I will pay that room 15,000. So by then I give you the woman the last 15,000 I be hold of my hand. I give you, I take the room. Since I did inside this room for October, I never pay no money again. If electric bill them, if they give me, I no give me money. I need the fit for chop. And she don't 2 days, 3 days. If that mama he cook a small chop, we just mangier, we just go around. If somebody they cook chop, I happy. I'll help you. Me and you work, so they give me small plate chop. Me and then my daughter will chop her. If somebody also gets something for work for a company, I go there, I ask see if he get something where if he help you do, if he help you, I do small thing. He give me small chop, I come and chop with that small picking. Please, Cameroonian, I don't know how he explain the level of suffer. I don't be really broken for my. I don't like to remember him again. It didn't really pain me. But I shall stop and make chop for people around the place. Me when I'm here to help people for getting chop for Kumba. I'm here to help people getting chop. For anyone can make chop for people. I don't even check how to go back. It passed me for go back because I go back begin and know if he go school. My husband don't die. No person there for help me. I beg, Cameroonian wanna help me. Please play there. I will make 2 days out of my no come out. Because when I come out, I feel pain. I feel fall because of hungry. Then begin them. Begin they cry hungry. Which you cry hungry? School, no book. Begin they go school and not get book. This place. That would never come back with the struggle. Begin to go school. If you explain that for the year, say better no day, but for year, then in the year, they know nothing. Begin to feed this, begin one right exam, no get no reader, no nothing. They don't manage. So since November, begin the house, they don't drive you. Any to go school again, any to write no, any to do no nothing. I beg with the beg now, with God name, help we. I get 3 picking for my when I care for them since now 1 primary school where some person don't help. These 3 picking they did the house as I talk so and they need for go school. Fellow Cameroonian. People there they don't get love for help we. I beg una help we. If una see place me just stay. Bed where I sleep for day. Now that mommy he give me bed. The room where she don't for day. If it close at the weather, people over here. For church, they help we give you small clothes with the weather for skin. We just should don't we. If they let you be, I know if you pay. I need to work anything for a year. If you have to get something for do, even business for do for this place. If you have to get small job for do something around. I know go like for she don't want place. I feel pain for she don't want place. I beg, I want to occupy myself so that I don't go bore this mommy too much. I don't overbore ye. They begin to compound, they don't look me like I don't know which I fit talk. I don't overbore ye.
À Kumba, tu faisais quoi comme activité?
Yes, for Kumba, I be do charity for prison. As soon as I see this batch, the authorization where they give me, I do charity for prison. I be get burden things from my church. I do charity for widow them. I work with widow them for my church for 12 years. So after God sent me for prison for also go help prisoners. So I will do charity for prison. As when I see this batch, so now me, I did it. For year I enter here on the year. I also struggle. I pray so I be connected for Kondengi prison. But I go prison like 2 times. I know if you hold nothing for give prisoners them. It be very poor. I know if you go again. I really need to get people the way they feel help me, support me. So that I love for do I love for help people. I love for help prisoners them. I dey give them word of God. I dey preach word of God. I be evangelist. I dey preach for prison. They give me women department for prison for Kondengi for Yaoundé year. I no fit go again because I no get even money for pay taxi go. I no fit preach gospel for somebody where no give chop. I no fit preach gospel for somebody where be naked. I no fit preach gospel for somebody where no get Bible. I need Bible forgive them. I need chop forgive them. I need cloth forgive them. Make the cloth. Please. The one that they get love for this ministry for charity.